Hello there and welcome to your personal video on the BMW 430i M Sport Coupe. So I'll just give you a walk around the outside of the car and I'll talk you through some of the features and options that this particular vehicle has. So of course, starting with the outside, you will see that it has the Your Next Car Performance pack fitted to it. Included in that is the carbon fibre effect front splitter, the gloss black kidney grills. As you can see there, it also has the Xenon and Angel Eye headlamps. This particular vehicle also came in with the BMW M Performance 20-inch alloys. These alloys cost in of excess of about £3,500 when purchased with the Pirelli tyres. It also has the M brakes fitted to it, so it's the much larger brake calipers and brake discs all the way around, as you can see there. Down the side you'll see the black vinyls, the sidebars and then performance decals. It has privacy glass on the rear windows. Moving around to the back, we have the genuine BMW M Performance carbon fibre spoiler. Rear boot space for a coupe vehicle is very good on the 4 Series, exceptionally large. This particular car also has the rear reversing camera, which I'll get into in a little bit more depth in a moment. We also have electric memory seats, Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7, professional wide navigation and media, black Dakota leather, heated in the front, all nice and tidy outside and in. Okay, so I'll get in depth and show you a little bit more of the interior features. The vehicle itself is covered just over 51,000 miles, as you can see there. Better view of the professional wide navigation. We've of course got DAB, as you can see up there. There's the navigation screen. We've got Bluetooth communications and media. If you go into vehicle status, you'll be able to see that all the service requirements are all in the green, and it's not due an engine oil service for 19,000 miles. The heated seats, which you've already been over. 8-speed sport gearbox with paddle shift. Power fold mirror function. Let's just quickly show you that reversing camera. Okay. So there we have your personal video of the 430i M Sport Coupe. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you very soon. Thank you, take care, bye bye.